Okay, guys, today I am trying to help you out how to install Apex Innovative 2019 THW THB, a model of a Wi-Fi security camera through hotspot. Like you don't need internet, home Wi-Fi. You can just connect directly with your mobile phone to this camera, and you can access all the footage, and you can see this live streaming and control the camera. So you have to install this app YCC365 plus. Then you have to open this. You don't need to sign up for any profile, no cloud. Just go to local direct connection, then add this camera, then next, then it will ask to connect through Wi-Fi hotspot, then go to setting, then you will find cloud cam xx whatever the numbers. Then you have to connect this, you have to wait until it will connect through yes, then go back like this shortcut, and you will see the next button. Then you have to press this, then you have to put the admin on user, and password would be default 12345. You can change it later. Then next, then you have to select the any name,